Here's the iPhone Air, and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know the phone's still on. You can hear it ringing, vibrating. When you plug in a charger, you still hear the charging chime. Anyway, so the issue is just that your screen is black. Okay, now take note that this one here is fixed, but we're going to pretend I have a black screen here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to force it to restart. Okay, so it's a 3-key combination. So just pretend my screen here is black and follow along. Okay. It's a 3-key combination. We want to press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that power button, and don't let go until we see an Apple logo, okay? So let's do it together. Pretend my screen here is black. Ready? Volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button now. Keep on holding on to that power button, don't let go. Pretend my screen here is black. We have no idea what's going on. We're just holding on to a power button. And hopefully we'll see a Apple logo appear. I'm still holding on to the power button. Okay, there it is. Go ahead and let go. And wait for it to boot up normally now. And hopefully you have a working screen now. Now, if it's still black, the other simple method is do this. Go ahead and plug in, give it some power, okay? Go ahead and pop it in there and then do the same thing again, okay? While it's charging, pretend my screen here is black, ready to go. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button. I want to keep holding here. Still holding. Still holding on that power button. Where's that Apple logo? There it is. Let it go ahead and boot up normally. And voila. Hopefully you are now in business. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. This simple thing, I mean, it's like you have a 60% chance of getting your screen back on.